Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Agoda account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in agoda.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Agoda website. Now click on the sign in button at the top section, which will then take you into the login portal. If you haven't logged into your account already, use your social accounts or your email address and password in order to log in. After logging in to your account, you will be taken back into the home page. Now, if you wish to change the password that you are using within your account, just click on the account icon at the top right corner. From here, click on Profile, and this will now take you into your profile page. Now, in order to change your password, just click on the Edit button alongside Password section, and you will now be allowed to create your new password. Type in your current password within the current password box, and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. Then type in this new password once again for confirmation, and finally click on the save button, and now your password will successfully be changed on your Agoda account, and you will now be able to use this new password along with your original email address to log in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Agoda account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.